Hi everyone, this is Nitish Kumar Pandey. In this video, I am going to write insertion sort program. Okay, so what is insertion sort? Insertion sort is the comparison based sorting algorithm in which we divide array into parts. First one is in sorted part and another one is in unsorted part. Okay, and we take one element from unsorted part and we keep it on right position in the sorted part. Okay, and we run this process till we getting what sorted array, complete sorted array till getting. Okay, so I'm going to open an compiler for doing coding. I have a VS Code. Okay, and you can open online Java compiler and you can use the same. So let's get started. I'm going to open a file for creating file for writing code. You do practice with me so that your coding skill will be improved. Okay, and be with me. I will explain here everything. Okay, so I'm going to make it. Okay, what file name should be insertion sort dot java. Okay, I am going to insert main method psvm. We write. Okay, and we press enter and it directly come. It is already uh, made by system. Okay, so I'm going to, I have to take input from user, so I'm going to insert scanner class. Okay, import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, I am going to make an object for a scanner class. Sc is equals to new scanner system dot in. Now I am going to write what shout enter size of the array. Okay, now I'm going to take it int s is equals to sc dot next int. Now I'm going to declare array error of is equals to new int s, sorry, int s, and here should be new w. Okay, now I'm going to take element for int I is equals to 0 and I is less than s and I plus plus. Now I should write here error of I is equals to sc dot next int. Here I am going to write what, here I need to write shout enter s element for the array. Okay, done. Here need to remove ln. Here also. Okay, now I'm going to display original array. Original array is, now I'm going to remove this ln and I'm going to display code int I is equals to 0 and I is less than equals to s I plus plus. I need to display shout here error of I and plus it should be remove ln. Okay, now I'm going to write logic for insertion code insertion sort. Okay, for int I equals to 1 I am taking, and I is less than s, and I plus plus. I need to write here. I need to let int key is equals to err of I, int j is equals to I minus 1 j, and then I need to write while loop a is greater than equals to 0, and err j should be greater than key. If it is, then you need to write what? Error of j plus 1 is equals to error of j. Then you need to write j minus minus, and no, here should be and operator. Okay, and then you need to place error of j plus 1 on key. Okay, and then you need to write display code system shout sorted array is, I'm going to write int I is equals to 0 and I is less than equals to yes and I plus plus, and then shout error of I, and space should be there, and ln should be removed. Okay, here what I am doing here what I am doing, displaying sorted array. Here I am shifting greater element in right position. Okay, and shifting greater element in right. Okay, this is, if here I am letting j0 I0 already sorted, if and I let I is equal I letting I error of I is key, and if and error of I minus 1 means error of 0 is I am letting j. Okay, if error of 0 is greater than equals to 0 and error of j is greater than key, then I need to shift error of j plus 1 means error of j plus 1 means what? uh, Error of I, we need to shift with error of j means error of I means second position element will come in first position. Okay, and I need and j minus minus I am doing here. Okay, and here I am keeping key element forward. Okay, error of, now I am letting error of j plus 1 is equals to k. Okay, or in correct position, correct, sorry, correct position, it is already there. So it, I'm actually doing forward. Okay, so this is the code I need to, this is the logic for what, displaying, displaying, displaying original array first. Here it is, I'm taking element of the array from user, and here I am taking size, taking size of the array. Okay, taking size of the array. What's wrong? Taking size of the array, not anything. Creating object, creating object for a scanner class. This is the main method. This is the file name where code is going to save. This is a scanner class for taking user input. Okay, here I am going to remove dot. It is equal to free object for a scanner class. Here it is written right in, because sc dot close we write here, so that we have created already sc to free. Okay, so that it can be free. Now I am going to run it. Come bro, I'm entering 5 element, I'm entering 4 8 0 2 7 2 1 2 3 4 and 5. Original array is 48072 and sorted array is 02478. I need to write here on display. What I need to write here? Shout. Now it will work perfect and it will look good. I mean 10 element, 7 8 2 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. This is the original array, 7 8 2 5 4 9 8 3 4 4, and this is the sorted array, 2 3 4 4 5 7 8 8 9. Okay, so now I'm going to talking about time complexity and space complexity and features of the insertion sort code when we will use it. Okay, when you have given some part of the array is sorted and some part of the array is unsorted, then you need you to use insertion sort code. Okay, use case it is. Okay, of insertion sort. It is in place algorithm. Yes, it is in place algorithm. In place, yes, it is, because it does not take any extra space. That's why it is in place. Okay, it is stable. Stable. Yes, it is. Yes, because because what is stable means, it means in 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 original array, original original array, if same element come, then in sorted array same element will come uh, respectively means you have entered 4 dash 4, then in sorted array, they sorry in original array, if you have entered 4 dash 4, it is same element in original array, then in sorted array also come 4 dash 4. It is the meaning of stability of the algorithm. Okay, so I need to talk about time complexity. What is time complexity for um, best case? I need to talk about best case. Best case I need to talk about. So time complexity will be O of 1, O of n. Okay, because already it is sorted, and and in average case it will be O of n square and partially partially short. Okay, and in worst case it will be what? O of n square. Okay, in reverse order. Okay, and if I need to talk about selection sort, sorry, space complexity, space complexity complexity then it will be O of 1, because it don't does not take any extra space. It only take constant variable example, that is key. Okay, so that's why and space complexity of constant is space complexity of constant variable. Constant is O of 1. Okay, so this is about the in list algorithm stability of the algorithm and time complexity in all cases, that is best case, average case and worst case, and this is the O of 1 space complexity of this insertion sort code. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day and keep coding. If you have doubt in any line, just comment it. I will take care of it in next video while explaining the code. And uh, and do one guys, uh, do dry run of this logic. You will get it the idea of okay, and you can learn in better way by trying the code with yourself. Okay, when I dry run it, then I understand. So I also suggest you, so you try with run with yourself so that you can learn better in a better way. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. I am going to uh, run one example also. Okay, just see it. I need to write 6 element here. I'm writing 2 8 4 G 4 0 3 3 and 2 5 and 1. So this is the original array, that is 274031, and this is sorted array. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Be with me. I will solve your every type of problem here. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day. I'm going to close it, guys.